This is a West Wind, which is a traditional long keel sailing boat, and what's happened is that over the years the stern tube has become detached from the fabric of the boat, and the water has leaked down the side of the stern tube into the boat, so it's created a leak. And what we've done is we've opened up the side of the boat, as you can see. So this is the stern tube in here, and we've opened it up a little bit there and a little bit more here, and so this exposes the stern tube here, which is a brass stern tube. Here is the stern seal inside the boat. The engine is here, and this is the stern tube. So, and here you can see we've completely cleaned out the area, and what we're going to do is we're going to reseal the stern tube into the boat so that it doesn't leak anymore, and it's going to be solid and safe. So to do that, we've cleaned everything out, and what we've got here is we've got a fiberglass sheet which we're using as a barrier here, so that prevents the filling that we're going to make going into the boat itself. So that's a nice finishing part for the inside of the boat. And you can see here we've got the stern gland all cleaned up and assembled. So then we started to fill the inside of the boat, and we put the original sides that we cut out, we've bonded them back in with epoxy, after filling this inside with bonding paste, which is a polyester and glass fibre mixture, which it provides a very good bonding paste and a solid base. And as you can see there, we're finishing the outside once again with epoxy so that we can make it absolutely clear. And when we've put the sides back in, we've sealed these seams with epoxy filler and epoxy tape, and you can see there's the tape going on before we put the filler on. Yeah, this is more tape. So we've got glass tape with epoxy resin sealing the whole thing in and making it completely strong and watertight. This is when we were fairing it off, so then we put epoxy filler over the surface to fair it off and give us some shape back to this part of the boat. And you can see that we've sealed everything in and done it with epoxy filler, smoothed it off. So this is the finished item with its finish of the epoxy primer. We put 2 or 3 coats of epoxy primer on to seal the epoxy filler, and then we put anti-fouling on top, bonded to it. So you can now see that the repair is complete, and hopefully it's going to last the owner for many, many years.